In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop email duplicates in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. We all know how frustrating it can be to see the same email popping up multiple times in your deal or contact history. It can clutter your inbox and make it challenging to track important communications. Luckily, Pipedrive offers a straightforward way to tackle this issue. First, let's navigate to the sales inbox. On the left-hand sidebar of your Pipedrive dashboard, you'll see a variety of options, but what we're looking for is the sales inbox. Go ahead and click that. This section is where you'll find all your email threads related to your deals and contacts. Once you're in the sales inbox, the next step is to find the duplicated email thread that has been causing you headaches. Browse your list of emails and click on the specific thread that is showing up twice. You'll want to open that thread to see the details and make the necessary adjustments. Now that you have the duplicated thread open, take a look at the top of the message. You should see something called sharing or visibility control, which is often represented by a drop-down menu. This is where we can make some crucial changes to avoid those pesky duplicates. Click on the visibility control drop-down and you'll notice an option that says Shared with Everyone. What we want to do here is switch that setting to Private. By changing the setting to Private, you are essentially telling Pipedrive not to expose multiple synced copies of the same thread to the whole team. This simple action can significantly reduce the chaos of duplicate emails in the future. Now, before you close that email thread, it's important to think about your teammates as well. If other members of your team are syncing that exact same thread, you'll need to coordinate with them. Make sure they also switch their individual copies of the email to private. Open communication is key here. You can easily send a quick message or make a note during your next team meeting to remind everyone about this adjustment. And that's really all there is to it. By tweaking the visibility settings for that email thread and encouraging your teammates to do the same, you'll prevent those annoying duplicates from cluttering your sales inbox. Remember, keeping your Pipedrive organized boosts your productivity, and having clear, concise communication is vital. So take these steps to ensure that your email experience within Pipedrive is as smooth as possible. If you follow these instructions, you should see a significant reduction in duplicated emails. And if you have any questions, or if there are other Pipedrive features you're curious about, feel free to comment below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tips and tricks to optimize your Pipedrive experience.